Hi everyone, I'm here today to show you my new kit. It's called Grunge Spring, and there's 39 pages, so I'm just going to get started. These are the main pages. And I printed them borderless, so I don't have to cut anything. There's enough here to do probably 2 or 3 kits. I don't know if I got that twice. I think I do. Sorry guys. I'll just take that out. And I think, is that one the same as this one? No. This one's different. Similar but different. And there's a couple of birds. This one's a bit darker. I printed it on a different printer, so that's probably why. The same with this one. And then, before I get into this, maybe I'll do the ephemera, and then I'll come back to those. So this is the large envelope. Then you got tags and tickets, side pockets, mini envelopes, tabs, and tickets. These are narrow tags. I've taken off the rounded tops anymore. If you want a rounded top, you can cut that. Here's the large tags. The mini folders actually go this way. And here's some washi. Flags and tabs. And these are belly bands. I did a few pages of those. Some backgrounds. So now we're getting into these. They have the same backgrounds as the main pages, but these just can be extras. And this one didn't feed into my printer very well, so I do have a little bit of white, but I'll just ink that. So there's that one. There's this one. This one. This one. This one. And a few more. So that's why I say you could probably do 2 or 3 different journals with this kit. And that's it. So there's, like I say, there's 39 pages in this kit. And it's on my Etsy right now. I hope you go over and have a look and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.